Well, hey, hi, Glenn here, Workshop at the Gardens. We are on to the next video. Exciting times. We are getting so much closer on this project. I know you saw it last time where we got the decking board on and the felt, the spacers, the OSB on there. Now I am putting the fascia trim board around, and then we'll be putting the D-edge, the drip edge on top of that. That's what this stuff is right here. And getting the ice and water on, and that's all we'll have time for this week and most likely this video. But let's pop up here, we'll take a look and see why we're doing what we're doing. Okay, so this is a great look at the profile on the roof. So it's a flat roof. We're pitched 1/4 per foot, so we've got the drop to the back, 2.5 inches of drop over 5 feet, no, 10 feet. And there's our 1x roof material, the spacer, and then our 1/2 inch OSB. And that is, we did that so when we put our metal on here that there's enough bite in the screws that hold down our metal roofing. But I like to cover that up because I don't want this open. So we're using the last of our larch wood, which we had some that was roughly 4 inches. It varies a little bit, but we are putting that on there. And as you can see down there, that covers it all up. The D-edge comes on top of this, ice and water, and covers it all up and makes it all look quite pretty. I don't know what else to tell you. I do a 30-degree cut on it, and that's just for the overlap. That's all I'm doing on this one here. And let's pop over here. Take a look at the last of the larch, and the color on this larch is just absolutely gorgeous, but we used every ounce of it, so it's going to be close. I have to go rip these couple pieces down to make some fascia boards out of it, but we should get real close in using all of the larch on this project. But I'm going to get after it. Last cut of the fascia board, and we'll be done with that. And look at that. See that? That's extra. So the rest of it, how much lumber did we have left from this project? That. So besides having to drop in those 2 pieces of elm, that's everything. And we will put the last piece of fascia on. Woo! Getting excited. Yeah, there we go. Drip edge time. Shiny, shiny drip edge is on. We're all the way around. Time to get some ice and water. A little bit of grace is gonna go a long ways. And then that's gonna wrap this one up, but it's not over yet. Grace be with you. Anyways, you think you have enough materials, you think you have a full roll which covers 200 square feet, and there's 100 square feet up here, and then you realize the roll that you had in the workshop was a partial. So I'm gonna go dig around the workshop, see if we have any more of this. Otherwise we're gonna have to finish the ice and water tomorrow. Sorry. Well, snap. No Grace in the workshop, but Andy up at the supplier up at Dakota County Lumber texted him, interrupted his dinner, sorry, but he said not a problem. He'll call one in, give me the will call number, and I can pick a roll up at 8:30 tomorrow morning, which will be perfect timing, and we will get this last little bit on to wrap up this one. So now I can start mowing. How about another little pan of how beautiful it is here? Yep, here we are. Thanks to our supplier, Dakota County Lumber. They did a great job. Actually, they being Andrew, texted him last night during dinner, and he said, don't worry, there'll be one ready for you first thing in the morning. And there it is, full of grace. We could have all those kind of fun little things full of grace there, but by the grace of you know who. All right, we're gonna blow it off a little bit, and we're gonna get that banged out, and then there's gonna be a wedding here. All right, full of grace, exactly, full of grace. Well, this is gonna wrap it up for this one. I'll give you a little spin around once I get down there looking up at it. But thanks for following along. Glenn here, Workshop at the Gardens. This is the Grinbig covered, I should say Grinbig inspired covered pergola. And we are maybe like one segment away from being done, because I just have a couple knee braces to put in and then some metal on top of this grace, and then we can call this one a wrap, which is kind of cool. Anyways, thanks for following along. Bye-bye. Enjoy.